In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix website not secure on Shopify. If your Shopify store is showing a not secure warning, this usually means there is a problem with the SSL certificate connected to your domain. The good news is that in many cases you can fix it by removing the affected domain and reconnecting it so Shopify can request a fresh SSL certificate. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Make sure you are signed into the correct store before making any changes. Once you are inside the admin area, go to Settings and then open Domains. This is where Shopify lists the domains connected to your store, including the primary domain and any additional ones. Next, look for the domain that is showing the security error. Click on that specific domain to open its settings. It is important to choose the correct one, especially if you have more than one domain connected to the store. You want to work only with the domain that is triggering the not secure message. After that, click Delete or Remove depending on what option Shopify shows in your account. This step disconnects the domain temporarily. The purpose here is to clear the current connection so Shopify can create a new SSL request when the domain is added back. If you are concerned about removing it, remember that this is part of the reset process for the certificate request. Once the domain has been removed, wait about 5 minutes. This short delay gives the system time to process the change properly. Do not skip this pause because reconnecting too quickly may not give Shopify enough time to reset the domain status in the background. When the wait is over, click Connect Existing Domain. Then type your domain name again carefully and click Next. This tells Shopify to reconnect the domain and attempt a fresh SSL certificate request. Make sure the domain is entered correctly, with no typing mistakes, because even a small error can prevent the connection from completing properly. After reconnecting, give Shopify some time to finish issuing the SSL certificate. In some cases, it may update quickly, while in others, it can take a little longer to fully process. If the warning does not disappear right away, allow some additional time and then check the domain status again in your Shopify settings. That covers everything you need to know.